guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Vera, and in today's video I am going to be telling you some of the commonly mispronounced words in the English language. The number one word here is Turmeric. How is that pronounced? Basically, I know you say turmeric, turmeric. It is not turmeric, it is turmeric. She put in a good quantity of turmeric to her stew or to her soup. The right pronunciation is turmeric. And then the number two word here is negotiate. Pronounce it negotiate. That is not the right pronunciation of that word. It's negotiate. We are here to negotiate a business transaction, right? And negotiate. That is the right pronunciation. And the number three word here is inevitable. How is that pronounced? I can't hear you. Inevitable. There is no table in that word. There is no table. I'm just trying to let you know, even though it spells that way towards the end, doesn't mean that's how it's pronounced. There is no table in pronouncing that word. So it's pronounced inevitable. Say it after me. Inevitable. I can't hear you. Inevitable. Right. That is the right pronunciation of the word. Inevitable. Hope you got that. And so the last but not the least word here is Plethora. Plethora. That is plethora. Right? Plethora. I just discovered that pronunciation myself. That's too bad. I didn't used to say plethora, but it was something close to that, right? So it's plethora. Okay, we have a bonus word. This just came in and I can't afford not to say it before this video ends. Fathom. There is no N in fathom. It is not phantom. Please don't say phantom. It is fathom. I cannot fathom what she's saying. I cannot fathom what he's saying. Okay? Or if you don't know how to just say that, just say, I don't understand. Simple. Than trying to embarrass yourself. Don't do that, okay? So, but for those that want to use that word, say fathom. Say it. Okay, guys, so I'm really sure you took one or two, not even one or two, you took everything, yeah, because you had to, and it wasn't a mouthful, right? Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. I am Vera.